Hi everybody, Katie Kochunian here with the Gunderman Group under Keller Williams Luxury in the San Francisco East Bay. Thanks so much for stopping by. I wanted to provide a quick economic update today. Today is May 11th, 2023, and it has been an interesting year to say the least. So where should we start? Inflation. Let's talk about inflation first. So the Fed recently met and they continued the rate increases by 0.25%. However, there were significant signs that they might pump the brakes after this. Shortly following, the Consumer Price Index report was released and it came in at 4.9%. That was good news because it's a slight decrease, so the Fed's plan is working. Inflation is slowing down. Next, let's talk about the labor market. The most recent job report came out on Friday, May 5th. The US added 253,000 jobs and our unemployment rate is at 3.5%. This was really good news and actually somewhat unexpected. I don't know about you, but I've heard of so many friends who have been laid off from their companies, so cuts are happening. But it is comforting to know that the labor market remains strong. Q1 earnings season is wrapping up, so 84% of the S&P 500 have reported earnings for Q1, and it's been really positive news. So corporate America's profitability is still quite substantial. Inflation is actually helping their top lines. 79% of companies that have reported earnings reported positive earnings surprises. That was way above estimate, so that was all good news. Then you throw in the banking crises, and it just really scares everybody. What's happening? There's a lot of uncertainty. Experts do predict tighter credit standards and stricter regulation from banks in the coming months. Commercial lending in particular is expected to be impacted. And that brings us to the housing market. What is going on in the housing market? The housing market is actually really healthy right now, minus the lack of inventory. The short supply has led more buyers to new construction. For the first time ever, new construction made up 33% of inventory on the market nationwide in the month of March. That is almost double what it typically is. We are still in the midst of the busy spring market. The limited options for buyers are creating competition. If and when rates come down in the future, the competition will be even fiercer. Now remains a good time to buy. It's really impossible to time the market. If your life situation requires you to move, there is always a way to find a desired outcome. I hope this was helpful. Economic factors directly impact the real estate market and you and me. So it's important you work with somebody who really understands what's going on out there. The Gunderman Group has sold $50 million in real estate in the East Bay year to date. Who you choose as your realtor in this market is crucial. If I can be of support to you in any way, please reach out. I hope you have a great day. Bye.